guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find and use the Splice tool on CapCut PC. So I am going to use this video right here, and I am going to, for instance, split it into clips. So to do that, I am going to select this button, which is the Control K on my keyboard, I guess, and it just breaks it down into smaller clips. If, for instance, I want to split and delete, I'm just going to use this one. So to split and delete the left side, I will use this one. To split and delete the right side, I will use this one. And to do it like easily, you can also switch it to this one, and you can pretty much just click on the clips and it will split it into parts. That's how you can use and find the Splice tool on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!